Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Alert 3 online. First, ensure your game is fully updated to the latest version. This is crucial for compatibility with other players. Next, you will need to install the specific online client or community patch that facilitates multiplayer connections. Finally, create a user account on the designated online gaming platform, which typically takes only a few minutes to complete. These initial steps are fundamental to getting your game ready for exciting online battles. Once your game is prepared, launch Red Alert 3 using the dedicated online client or launcher you installed. You will then be prompted to log in with the account credentials you created in the previous step. After logging in, navigate to the game's main menu and look for a clear indication of your online connection status. This confirms you are successfully connected to the multiplayer services and ready to proceed to the next stage of online play. With your connection established, head to the multiplayer lobby, usually found in the main menu. Here, you will see a list of available public games hosted by other players from around the world. You can browse these games, checking their settings and player counts. To join, simply select a game and click the Join button. Alternatively, you can create your own private match, inviting friends for a more controlled and personalized gaming experience. If you experience connectivity problems, first check your internet connection and ensure your firewall is not blocking the game. For a smooth experience, maintain respectful communication with other players. Good sportsmanship enhances everyone's enjoyment. Remember to report any suspicious activity or instances of cheating to the platform administrators. Following these best practices ensures a fair and enjoyable online environment for all participants, making your Red Alert 3 battles even more epic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.